Alright, it is finally time to open the Tamer DIMs. Potentially the only retail release DIM cards for the year of 2022. If you know what's going on with the Frontier DIM cards. These came out in February, I believe. The reason why it took me so long to get these, well, I got them relatively close to release. I had to import it, mind you. But the reason why it's taken so long for the unboxing to come is because during Digimon Con, I was crossing my fingers for a official case, like the holster of Dynasty of the Evil. That did not happen, obviously. So as soon as that happened, I ordered a new case from Erod Builds. So this will also be a showcase of the stuff that I got from him recently. Got a new case. Here's a comparison to the old one. The Agumon sprite he does appears to be bigger than the old one. Also got a new strap for the Vital bracelet. Still got the old one. And the reason why is because the hole I use the 4th notch because I take it off so much to avoid water damage because this thing is not waterproof. The 4th notch was starting to go, which is fine because the retainer is here. That helps keep it on. Here's the QR code for his video. So I got a new strap. And he does cover the protectors for the Vital bracelet itself. It's also a cover. And DIM card cover thingy-majiggies. Which is actually a good timing, because I guess it was a vacuum essentially. I was wearing this, stuck my hand into a Dollar Tree freezer, and that sucked out the little black cover that came with the bracelet. And I think 2 days later he shipped this. Let me turn that down. Do apologize for that. So that was actually good timing. Got orange, and can you tell orange is my favorite color? Clear and a blue. Take this off now. It's more flimsy than the hard plastic that comes with it, but it still works. And he also included this Agumon picture. I love his stuff. Now to the main event. He's a very nice guy on Etsy. Talk about some stuff while I'm doing this. So how are those Frontier DIMs? I don't like that they're premium Bandai. During Digimon Con, they said in stores for, well, they would tease in Agunimon and Lobomon. They said in stores. I don't know if that's a culture, language, translation issue thing. But I'm an American, and when I hear in stores, I think Walmart, Target, and Toys R Us, and nowadays Amazon. I don't think Premium Bandai. Looks like you get 4 storage capsules for Renamon, for all 3 of them, by the looks of it. He is the fairy. Oh, should probably turn down the brightness. So that you can see. Bunny rabbit. Renamon is done loading. You have 4 60-minute countdowns for the Vital Bracelet, 4 storage capsules. Really, man. Next up, Terriamon. And the Build a Dinosaur. Or is he a dragon? I say dinosaur. Why isn't this cutting? There you go. Digimon. Last card. It is Digimon. Right now I'm working on completing Gabumon. Got Melgarumon for the DNA. Just working on Agumon. Got Koamon. These two are gonna make Omnimon for the Gabumon DIM. And that should be done. Alright, got all the standard DIMs registered. Missing the Gashapon Tamer DIMs. Gigamon, Terriermon, Renamon. And then Moondramon and Impmon, I believe, is in that set. Metabot. Primal Warriors. Let's see. Black War and Shadow Hell. In the upcoming Tamer DIMs, which I don't know what I'm doing about those. Probably go Zen and TCG. Seems to be the best bet. I've seen Carney X and a whole bunch of the other Digimon tubers advertise that business. So I'll probably go there. But they don't offer refunds by the looks of it. And I pay attention to the Super Sentai and Kamen Rider stuff, and those premium Bandai releases seem to have some trouble. There's what, spider webs or something like that on people's mobiles. So I don't really trust premium Bandai. So don't know what I'm doing about that. And it's not an attack on Zen and TCG, obviously. I wish he would offer refunds if there's an issue. But I don't know much about that business, so I can't really comment too much about it. Maybe he does offer refunds, and I'm just mistaken. I remember it wrong. But nonetheless, the fact that these are only retail release DIM cards for the whole year, by the looks of it, garbage. Garbage, garbage, garbage. If they said, oh, Agunimon and Lobomon were retail and the rest were premium Bandai, I would understand it more. That I would still be pissed, but I'm not as pissed that way. But I digress. Ewa Builds makes some great stuff for the Layla bracelet. More DIM cards are always good. They're always nice to have. And that's it. I'll probably go Zenin for the Frontier DIM cards. Still wish they were regular releases, but that's out of their control. Obviously. Who knows what could happen? Maybe Bandai will change their minds within the 4 months we have until that release. See what happens. Alright, that'll be all. See you when the Frontier DIMs come out, maybe.